What if your entire business could think, respond, and grow automatically?
Most businesses operate with disconnected systems.
HubSpot transforms fragmentation into unified intelligence.
It connects marketing, sales, service, content, and operations into one system.
At the center is the HubSpot CRM. It captures every interaction automatically.
This creates a complete and predictive customer journey,
where artificial intelligence converts data into intelligent action.
Workflows execute structured business logic. Leads are nurtured and prioritized automatically.
And the Marketing Hub attracts and optimizes audiences.
The Sales Hub drives pipeline precision.
And the Service Hub resolves customer needs efficiently.
The CMS Hub delivers personalized digital experiences. Content adapts based on real-time behavior.
While the Operations Hub synchronizes and cleans business data.
Over 1,000 tools integrate seamlessly. Daily applications become part of a unified intelligence.
Performance insights update continuously.
Decisions become accurate and data-driven.
Startups gain scalable infrastructure, and marketing teams gain measurable control.
Finally, sales teams close deals efficiently.
Enterprises gain operational intelligence, and this is soft automation in action.
Systems operate silently in the background.
The processes become predictable and scalable, while customer relationships strengthen over time.
HubSpot is more than a CRM.
It is a complete AI-powered growth infrastructure designed for intelligent businesses.
This is soft automation. Subscribe to explore modern automation systems.